Hi everybody, my name is Evan Groom, the product manager for the MXA Microflex Advanced category of array microphones here at Shure. We are here at the booth at InfoComm 2026. Very excited to talk to you about two new entries into the category here at the show. The first one is a new flagship array that we're calling the MXA925, which will replace our existing flagship MXA920. It features an additional RJ45 port on the back for dual NIC configurations, but it also features a lot of processing upgrades over the MXA920 on the DSP. So first, we've upgraded our AEC. It is now an AI-based AEC algorithm, which is really exciting. But we've also brought in our existing denoiser and deverb algorithms as well, bringing integrators and installers a lot of really powerful DSP functions directly on board the microphone, which simplifies installs. We're also debuting a new firmware update for our existing MXA901 ceiling array. That's our smaller form factor, 13.5-inch round array. Now you can turn off our automatic coverage mode and enter the lobes mode, which gives you discrete outputs, which will enable it for voice lift applications, which is really exciting. We've also introduced a new camera tracking feature for the 901 called optimized tracking that lets you group up to 4 MXA901s in one group to create a more accurate XYZ coordinate for camera tracking applications. That's just a free firmware update on our website that you can download today. And that's kind of what we're showing new in the MXA category here at InfoComm. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to visit us on the web at shure.com. Thanks.